Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets were marginally up on Monday and as the gains were capped after the headline inflation was higher than expected and industrial output data which came out on Friday was lower. The Sensex was up 0.4% at 20,608 and the Nifty closed at 6,113. The headline inflation data, that is the wholesale price index, was higher for the month of September at 6.5% from 6.1% the previous month. This was mainly because of higher vegetable and onion prices. The industrial output growth was lower than expected at 0.6% on back of decline in consumer durable goods and the capital goods segment. Remember, the industrial output series is very volatile and it generally shows a lot of volatility in different indices. Among individual stocks, banking shares, smaller banks rallied today. Karnataka Bank was up 17%, South Indian Bank was up 10%, Syndicate and Federal Bank were up 6%. There are expectations that the Reserve Bank of India may liberalize the norms and allow foreign banks to own smaller Indian banks. Amongst other stocks, there was continued buying interest in IT shares after the upbeat Infosys results this Friday. Some of the gainers were TCS. It was up 4%. Wipro and Infosys, they were both up 2% each. Top losers on the Sensex were Hindalco, which was down 3%, Tata Steel and Cipla, they both lost 2% each. Wockhardt was down 5% after the UK regulator has banned one of their facilities in Aurangabad, and it gets a good chunk of its revenue from Europe. Today, the Reliance Industries results just came after market hours. On the revenue front, it was better than Bloomberg estimates. That stock will be closely watched tomorrow. Also, another data point that was out today was consumer price index. That has accelerated to 9.8% from 9.6% in the previous month. Again, higher vegetable prices is weighing on the index. So that will be one data point that may weigh on the markets tomorrow. Small cap and mid cap indices were marginally up today. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.